ครับ My name is กิติพล ประพันธ์ศรี You can call me boss. And in high school, my friend like to call me like Chao. It's mean like Chao Guai or like Chao like flower like Chao flower like date or something. Now I am like 24 years old and just graduated from Bupa University International School and Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Management. And this is my first attempt to video clip myself. And I'm now in the Maru CHOT school. The career path for me that I think they can help me to reach my goal to be like working in cruise ship and travel board or something. I think this is all for my first video. Thank you. So สวัสดีครับ This is my second video clip for me. My name is กิติพล ประพันธ์ศรี or boss. This is my 5th day in here, Maru CHOT school. And actually I have nothing to say, but all I will say like what I have learned here like on 5 days. I learned the service standard, the personality of the F&B in the cruise, or the some job requirement, something. I can't tell in like more detail because I can't remember now. So I think this is enough for me now. Thank you. สวัสดีครับ So my name is กิติพล ประพันธ์ศรี My nickname is Boss. I am studying here at Maru CHOT School in the project of Shinkansen project, and I'm studying here for like just 2 weeks, and this is my third video clip, 1-minute talk. And but in the next week I will go to internship at the Centara Grand Hotel. And that is my like the part of my like in the future I will go to like the cruise ship, and for now like I will go to the Central Grand for around like maybe for internship for around 4 or 6 months, and I will keep practicing myself and adapt myself to get into the cruise ship. Thank you.